collection is growing. But so is the dust. Left unchecked, your dolls can start looking dull and dirty. Let's fix that. Hi, I'm Tatiana from the Dolly Insider. Today, I'm sharing 5 gentle tools you can use to keep your dolls looking their best. I'll also let you in on a little trick I use to make cleaning more enjoyable, especially if you find it boring like I do. How often do you clean or dust your collection? Let me know below. Weekly? Monthly? Whenever you remember? I promise, no judgment. You don't need anything fancy or expensive. These 5 simple tools help me take the dust off. Let's take a closer look at how you can use each one. Here's a pair of dusty boots on Milo. Q-tips are great for getting into small, tight spaces like this. You could also use a soft makeup brush. It cleans without scratching. And just like that, his boots are looking great. Here is Raven. Dust loves to settle on her collarbone. There's a name for this spot. If you know it, drop in the comments and show off a little. I like to use a Q-tip. Or, if I'm out, an eyeglass cloth wrapped around my finger does the trick. There, Raven's ready to party again. Here is the lovely Asahina. Every time I say her name, I think of this. I'm bringing out the Q-tips again. They're great when I want to get a little picky about the dust in her hair. But when I'm not in the mood, the microfiber glove does the trick. It covers more ground with a gentle touch, perfect for a quick cleanup. And like before, if I'm out of Q-tips or I don't feel like putting on the glove, a soft makeup brush works just as well. And for dusty eyes, I go back to a small makeup brush. Now, Asahina's all set for a day outdoors. Here's the adorable Z. She's a twin, and sometimes I mix her up with her sister. But don't tell them I said that. We're focusing on her face. Dust loves to collect here. A microfiber towel is perfect for gently wiping it away. Another favorite dust spot? Her big, beautiful eyes. She has 4 different colors, so that's 4 sets to clean. A soft makeup brush is my go-to for clearing away the dust. And because dust is sneaky, I also use my favorite tool, the Q-tip, for those tiny spaces inside her ears. It's quick and precise. And just a friendly reminder, Q-tips are great for doll ears, but not for human ears. Protect those eardrums. Now she's ready to go shopping with her sister. Cleaning isn't exactly the highlight of my day. Maybe you feel the same. So here's something to make it enjoyable. Pop in your earbuds, put on your favorite playlist, or get lost in an Audible or podcast. You'll be wrapped up in the story or the music, and before you know it, all your dusting will be done. Want more ways to care for your dolls? We've got a playlist full of tips. Click here to watch. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe.